Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase resourcefulness with Treehouse, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin increasing your resourcefulness with Treehouse, first, visit the official Treehouse website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Treehouse dashboard. Navigate to the library section on the website. Here, you will find a wide variety of courses and content. Focus on topics that are relevant to your personal and professional goals. Select a course that piques your interest. Take note of the course outline displayed on the page. This outline will help you understand what skills you will gain. Begin with the introductory modules to build a solid foundation. As you progress, actively engage with exercises and quizzes provided. Don't hesitate to revisit sections if you need clarification on concepts. Next, participate in the Treehouse community forums. Share your insights and ask questions to deepen your understanding. Take advantage of the resources created by fellow learners. After each module, summarize what you've learned in your own words. This practice will reinforce your understanding and increase retention. Once you've completed a course, consider applying what you've learned on a small project. This hands-on experience will boost your confidence and capability. Set aside time weekly to continue learning new skills on Treehouse. Consistency is key to becoming more resourceful. Lastly, regularly review your progress and set new learning goals. By following these steps, you will enhance your resourcefulness with Treehouse effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.